Nice one, cool dudes. I'm in a lay-by. Where? Here, on the Isle of Wight. It's Whale Chine, it's called, and I'm about to undertake a 13.2 mile circular walk. Today I'm joined by special guest, Rowan.
Hi! Have you missed me?
All right. Have you missed her? Don't answer that question. Let's go on with the walk. Good luck, everyone, especially us. This is the start of the walk. An overgrown path. Everywhere is wet and slippery too. We've been rewarded with some lovely views. Are you worried about the undergrowth, Rowan?
The ticks, you say?
What were you saying about tick season?
They're very, very ticky this year.
What, there's lots of them?
Heaps of them.
Who told you?
Thousands of ticks, mate.
Who told you this?
Tchaikovsky.
Oh, there's lots of bluebells, Rowan.
Yeah, you know you're supposed to leave 5 pence underneath the bluebells for the fairies.
Why?
So,
5 pence?
5, yeah.
I wonder what the fairies spend 5p's on.
What would you spend 5p on, cool dudes? That's your line.
Oh, you're putting a question. Oh, you've started asking the questions now.
I did, yeah.
You haven't got permission to ask questions.
Can I have permission, sir?
No. This is quite bad. There's no side path. You just have to be quick and nimble. Oh no, I'm neither of these. I'm afraid you're going to get wet feet, Rowan. This is Rowan's plan of getting through. There's the trekking pole. Here we go.
Thank you.
Let's just all enjoy watching this play out.
Do you know what? Oh no! Oh no!
This isn't even a plan. You're just going straight into the hedge.
Oh, Marek, it's gone really wrong.
Yeah, there's nettles there. Just go straight for the middle of it.
Nettles? Oh. I think I might have got a bit of mud on my shoe.
A success story. How do you think that went?
Oh, I've had better walks.
So 1.5 miles in an hour. We've decided to cut the walk short to a 9-mile walk.
Marek can't handle it.
Someone in the team has been moaning quite a lot. But you can guess who that is below. Caterpillar watch. Is this a good caterpillar or a bad caterpillar? Please write your answers below. Okay, cool dudes. One of the microphones has gone down, so we're going to share this one. It's time for question of the day. Please, Rowan.
Okay. If you could bring any television series back, which one would it be? I'll go first.
Yeah.
Little House on the Prairie.
What? Why?
Oh, what's not to love about it? Just the intro, running through the fields, beautiful family, live in a ranch,
Right.
out in the sticks.
Yeah.
Anyway, what series would you bring back?
I did think of Bergerac, but it has to be Lovejoy, one of the greatest television series ever. If you don't know, it's Ian McShane in the sort of near Colchester way, searching for antiques and getting into a bit of bother every week. And I would like to play either Lovejoy or probably his stupid assistant, whatever he was called. Look at those wonderful views. There's actually a bench just back there which I thought we could sit on, but there were a group of older walkers sitting there who visibly, actively laughed at us when they noticed that we couldn't sit on their bench. And you made friends with them, Rowan?
Yeah, they're a very lovely group. Probably best friends now.
I think they were... what did you have for lunch, Rowan?
I had mushroom lasagna.
How was it?
Strong 8 out of 10 for me.
Very good.
You?
I had something like royal burger, 2 burgers, cheese, bacon, onion rings and eggs. It was very nice. It was £17.95, so that's a lot of money and I'm pretty full up. This is possibly the greatest of all names. Number 2, Butts Way. Try and beat that for a house name. I expect a lot of you want to hear a story about Yafford Mill, and I know just the person to tell it.
So when I was little, we used to come to Yafford Mill because my mum and dad used to show canaries. That's right. And they used to have a seal called Sophie. Did any of you ever meet her?
I didn't. Oh, sorry, the people at home, yes.
I was obsessed with her, and I followed her story, and my understanding is when the mill changed hands, she was moved to the seal sanctuary in Cornwall. And I did some research not so long ago and found out she had a nice little life down there.
I'm trying to think of a tongue twister. Sophie the seal spends summer at the Sea Life Sanctuary.
In solidarity.
In solidarity. Solidarity? Solitude?
Oh dear.
Solidarity.
I'll do that one again.
Well, that's not going to make it. Rowan says there's going to be a slow worm under here if she lifts this up.
Oh, it's a drain.
No, it's not. Okay. Okay.
Oh.
It's time for the multiple choice question of the day. Rowan, as the guest, this is the question. Please give 4 possible answers. What is your favourite animal? Option A.
Squirrel.
Option B.
Seal.
Option C.
Cat.
Option D.
Crocodile.
Well, we all know it's not option D. Maybe it is.
Could be poker facing you.
You've got 3 seconds to answer.
Before we get through that hoop.
Okay. What's the answer, please?
The answer is a seal.
C. Seal.
C.
We're back on the coastal path now, called Dudes, and we're walking the more inland route because of all the landslips that have been recently because of the constant rain. We've stopped for a snack break to look at the sea. And you brought a snack, Rowan, please.
I bought a snack. I've been in Australia, mate. So I bought you a little treat.
Oh.
Freeze-dried apple. How much? We like this game. How much?
Oh, in Australian dollars?
Yeah.
What's the conversion to British pounds?
About half.
How much in pounds?
Just go dollars.
Oh, dollars. Australian dollars. What are you guessing? I guess $5.
You saw it?
Yes, I did see it.
Try one of them.
Yes, please.
You're gonna love that. And
Oh, yes, yes. Oh.
recent viewers will know the obsession with beans continues. Bought these back from Mr. Larwood.
What, normal English baked beans?
English recipe, but I'm gonna say they are better than Heinz. You know my feelings on Heinz. I'm a Branston girl.
You carried beans all the way from Australia?
For you.
Oh, thank you very much. It's a really nice present.
I bet you're looking forward to seeing how they taste, huh?
Yes, I'm going to put them on some bread as soon as I get home. This could be the last time you see this walk called dudes, as a lot of it is falling off the cliff and there's cracks everywhere. It's moderately worrying. We're approaching the end of the walk now. It's time to say
goodbye.
No, it's time to say, why don't you join the Cool Dudes Walking Club?
Yeah,
how do I do this? Go to the channel page and click on join. What do you get in return, Rowan?
The good feeling.
No, but what do you get in return for joining the walking club?
Access to some private videos.
Yeah, don't say it like it's weird.
Access to other videos.
And these emojis.
These emojis.
And entry into the prize draw.
Hey, you wouldn't want to be in that.
Yeah, exactly. I wish that hadn't got in my mouth and that more than 5 people watched that video, this video. So tired. That walk was 10 miles, 10.13 miles. It took about 7 hours and 20 minutes. How many rounds would you give the walk?
How many is it out of?
It's out of 5.
4.
Even though you moaned about all the mud at the start of it, quite...
Oh, it was a risk to my life.
Right, so risk to your life is 4 rowings.
Yeah.
Well, you'll see how many I give it at the end. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Do you want to promote any of the plays you're in? Okay. All right, that is probably the worst ending to a video ever, and it's your fault. Oh yeah, there's only one more thing left to say. Stay cool. Stay cool. Oh, it's so nice. It would look nice anywhere in my home. In fact, it's the only picture I want to have in my home. It can be yours if you bid £12 or more, whatever it is now, on eBay for this original framed watercolour and gouache masterpiece. Get it now. Other news on the CoolDude'sWalkingClub.com website. You can now get individual stickers and vinyl stickers as add-ons to orders. You can't order them individually because if you do that, I can't post them to you because the postage is more than the stickers. But if you have another order and you want to order just one sticker, you can do that. Just write in the order notes. And the Crap Camera Club stickers and badges are available. If you don't know what the Crap Camera Club is, here's a video about it here. It's a spin-off club in which I take photographs, or will be taking photographs, with this cheap camera. Right, cool, geez, that's enough of that business. It's time for the prize draw. Currently, there are 573 of you brilliant people who are helping me do this on YouTube. Thank you. And you get entered into the prize draw for these items. These wonderful cards by rathergoodart.co.uk. These great cards by Stripey Art. The brand new Crap Camera Club and Wangbuster vinyl stickers, badges and paper stickers. The other stickers, a extendable rubber cup for painting or drinking out of, strawberry laces and a Sandown clown keyring. So it's time to say, random number generator, generate me a number. generate 409. The 409th longest serving member at 7 months is Gemma L. Well done, Gemma. I'll be in touch to send you this cool stuff. That's it. Keep buying merch. Also, stay cool.